Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Thursday morning. Another round of showers and thunderstorms on its way out of here to the east this morning, clearing out. The clouds will follow suit where we have already seen clearing in the panhandle. This clearing will continue to push east as the day goes on. Breezy northwest winds, some gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Heading into tonight, mostly clear and the winds will die down. Could be a few extra clouds out to the west. Some of those spread eastward later in the night. Cold front right here will kind of stall out over northwest Nebraska tomorrow, and look at that. Maybe a little snow in the northwest corner of the state, a few showers otherwise. Most of us will actually see a nice day. The majority of us will see a nice day tomorrow with partly cloudy skies becoming sunnier and southeast winds kicking in. They will be breezy, but it's going to help to warm things up. But behind and near that cold front later in the day here, we'll back this up a few hours. Let's go back to about 2 o'clock. Here come the showers and thunderstorms there. And then those will push east and southeast across the area. Your best bet for severe weather is going to be here into south central Nebraska, kind of right in here. Lower chances of severe weather farther north. Pockets of heavy rainfall as well. Here comes that shower and thunderstorm activity. There's 8 p.m. The sun goes down there. 10 o'clock. Showers and storms through the central part of the state, including the Tri-Cities, north central Kansas. Weaker showers up towards the north. Brisk northerly winds on the back of that cold front. There go the storms now by midnight pushing into eastern Nebraska. And then they will push east and clear on out by early on Saturday morning. The sunshine returns Saturday. It'll be a little cooler behind that system, but a decent weekend is ahead of us. So the Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk of severe storms out here. Storms kind of originate right in here, and then they'll push southeast through this area here. It's a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk, so it's a lower chance. I don't think we see much of a tornado threat with this. This is mostly going to be large hail and some severe wind gusts. We've got a better chance of severe weather down the road, though. Next week, we're going to talk about that in just a bit. Looking at your highs for today, we're going to top out in the 60s with some lower 70s over southeastern areas. Pretty nice weather if you don't mind those breezy northwest winds. A little colder tonight, especially to the west and northwest, 30s here, which that's about the same, if not even slightly warmer than this morning in the parts of the panhandle, but 38 North Flat, upper 30s here, maybe cold enough for a little frost up around the Valentine area, low and mid 40s farther southeast. Highs tomorrow, well, nice in the warm sector, upper 60s and low to mid 70s here, but our cold front's right about there. In fact, I'll draw it in here. You get a good feel for where that front is. And behind that front, chillier 50s and 40s over northwest portions of Nebraska. Tomorrow night, this will be a colder night with that cold front pushing through during the overnight hours. So as that cold front drags through, you've got chillier 20s out west, and low 30s. Frost, if not freezing conditions here. So if you've started growing things, that's something to keep in mind here. Not quite that cold in central areas. We'll see lows in the upper 30s and lower 40s, mid and upper 40s farther east where the clouds may linger into early Saturday morning. Saturday itself, cooler behind the front with highs mostly in the low to mid 60s. Not terrible, not exactly warm, but not a terrible Saturday on the way the sunshine returns for our Saturday. Let's take a look at the extended forecast. We've got showers and thunderstorms. These will be mainly from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the Tri-Cities on Friday night and Saturday morning. Cooler for the weekend. It should be dry, though, for the majority of the weekend. Next chance of rain is a slight chance Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. Monday is our best chance of storms, though, and severe weather. This holds a better chance. Notice the bump in temperatures there Sunday night. That means we've got warm, moist air coming northward during the day on Sunday. So warm, moist air Sunday night coming in, keeping us warmer, staying in place with breezy to windy conditions heading into Monday. And this will all set the stage for a chance of severe weather. And it's currently looking like all modes of severe weather will be possible, especially in the eastern half of the area. That moves out Monday by midnight, so it's mostly going to be Monday daytime into early Monday evening. Tuesday and Wednesday look mostly dry. We'll see. There's maybe a small chance of moisture. We're looking at mid and upper or lower 70s there Tuesday, upper 60s there on Wednesday. We may cool down a little bit. In fact, the latest model trends are cooling us back a little bit next week now with a lot more in the way of 60s for highs again. So we're seeing small fluctuations back and forth. We're not seeing any dramatic rises or drops in temperatures over the next 7 to 10 days, but at the same time, not super warm here as we push through the early portion of May, and we'll head towards the middle part of May there down the road. Looking at the long-range forecast for the North Platte area, again, your rainstorm chances begin Friday afternoon and continue Friday evening, wrapping up shortly after midnight. Saturday and Sunday look mostly dry, a little windy. Here comes the warmer night there as well on Sunday, setting the stage for that chance of rain and thunderstorms. Your chance of severe weather might be a little bit lower on Monday. It's not zero. We'll have to see how that evolves. We're still several days away yet, but we'll go with the 50-50 chance of rain and thunderstorms there, and then drier weather, maybe cooling down a little bit on Wednesday. In fact, we do trend towards more 60s as we head further down the road into next week, so not super warm by any means. I want to take a look at a couple of those long-range models here, and again, as we look down the road, we got the rain and thunderstorms coming in Friday night into Saturday morning there, but then keep a close eye on Sunday night into Monday. There's the moisture lifting northward Sunday night right there, and then this all sets the stage for Monday thunderstorms. Maybe some already in the morning, but more likely into the afternoon. But look where the front is Monday afternoon. It's in central Nebraska, and there's the storms firing up along the front and then pushing east and northeastward. This continues into Monday evening over eastern Nebraska before clearing on out. I think the Storm Prediction Center is watching Monday very close. They see that as maybe a little bit bigger threat of severe weather. We'll see how it plays out. Friday night storms wrapping up Saturday morning there. A little isolated severe weather, dry for most of the weekend, and then let's set the stage for Sunday night into Monday here. Moisture is lifting northward. There's Monday morning already maybe some ongoing rain and thunderstorms. Cold fronts in central Nebraska Monday afternoon, triggering showers and storms, pushing into eastern Nebraska Monday evening, and then clearing on out of here. But we will have to keep a very close eye on that area of severe weather, at least the potential for some severe weather there during that time. Kind of, if I had to highlight an area right now that the Storm Prediction is kind of looking at, Storm Prediction Center is kind of, wrong graphic. Let's try that again here. We'll circle the area here. Kind of right in here is the area we'd be keeping a close eye on for severe weather as we look towards Monday and Monday evening. So there you go. That's what I have for you for a forecast for today. I want to thank you all for watching on this Thursday morning. I'll be back with you Friday morning with all of the latest. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful Thursday. Enjoy the nice day. It should be a pretty good day if you don't mind some breezy conditions out there. And I will see you all again on Friday morning with all of the latest. Take care and God bless. Bye.